So right about now, you might be saying, Matt, I really want to get started making money on YouTube, but I don't really know where to start. I don't know which niche I should actually choose to go forward. I want to do the animal niche, but I want to make sure I do it the right way. So let me ask you a question. If you had the choice between trying to do this alone, yourself, just guessing what works, what doesn't, and learning through trial and error, or discovering what works from someone who's already done this time and time again, help you, mentor you, and guide you to get the results and give you their proven blueprint for success on YouTube. Which of the two would you choose? If you would choose having someone who's done this time and time again help you and mentor you to get the results you want, then I'd love to introduce you to my program called Tube Mastery and Monetization. Tube Mastery and Monetization is a course and community that lays out an exact blueprint for how you can get started doing this. And if you're interested, link will be down below for Tube Mastery and Monetization, and you'll get my exact step-by-step course on exactly how to do this. And on top of that, you'll even get some bonuses such as 100 different profitable different niches and example channels in a bunch of these niches, fill in the blank video script templates, and you'll even get access to the student Facebook group in which you'll be able to mastermind with other students who are actually doing this. Meet people who are actually doing this, network, see what's working, what's not working, see all the success and results that people are getting within this program. And also, if you're interested, you can go to mattpar.com/reviews to see all of the amazing reviews that we've gotten from people who've gone through the program. And if you go to mattpar.com, you can actually attend a completely free training by clicking this button right here on the website, and you can attend a completely free training that'll help you with YouTube. So if you're on the fence about the course or anything like that, you can attend the free training if you want, or if you're already sure that you want to do this, but you just want to make sure that you do it the right way for sure, you can check out my program, Tube Mastery Monetization, down at the link in the description. I want to thank you so much for watching.